Try something new. It's been a long time coming. Try something brand new. Hey yo, Ski, we overdue, man. Come on. Yo, what we do it for? This is for the day trippers and the hipsters, wars and the fashionistas, spiritual leaders practicing all the laws of attraction. The teachers who reading passages from the bag of Vegeta. We busting off Dalai Lamas and flashing heaters. I laugh to the losers with the shooting, the thugging, and all the gooning, the spooning, and all the crooning, and cooning, and all the tuning, the lies you be telling the peddling to consumers. I'm helping them see through it. Yeah, this new movement is moving. Still standing right here. Yeah, I'm a product of Reaganomics. From the blocks where they rockin' the fast like J Electronica. Drop it, make us a lock. The promise is where the heart is, whether Jesus or Muhammad, regardless of where the mosque is. They hope for the apocalypse like self-fulfilling prophets. Tell me where do we stop it? Do they ask you your religion before you rent an apartment? Is the answer burn the Quran so that we can defend Islamics? The end is upon us with a hashtag, a trending topic. You take away the freedoms that we've been fighting to gain, then you disrespect the soldiers. You ask them to die in vain in the desert praying for rain. The music's like a drug and they tend to take it to vain. It ain't for the well-behaved. The soundtrack for when you're brave and the score when you felt afraid. More than your average rapper, so you sort of felt the way. Your brain is like a cage you a slave and that's why they love it. This the book of Eli that start with a KW. Still standing right here. I ain't going nowhere. Still standing right here. Yeah, do it for the trappers, other rappers, the backpackers, the crackers, the niggas, the metal packers, the victims of ghetto factors. I do it for the family, citizens of humanity, MCs, endangered species like manatees. I do it for the future of my children. They the hope for the hopeless. Karma approaches. We gon' be food for a flock of vultures. The end of the world ain't nothing left but cockroaches. And the freedom fighters, we freedom riders like Bob Moses. Yeah, they chose us. Freedom writers like Voltaire. For my block, my borough, my hood, my city, my state. Yeah, my obligation to my community so clear. Yeah, we gotta save them. This opportunity so rare. Yeah, we do it so big over here that it's no fair to the punks, the bitches, the chumps, the snitches, the sneak in the game. We let them live, although they weak and they lame. They poses and jokers promoting when they speaking my name.